is your dream?
They say, if suffering has an end, then I will be the deliverer. Why? Why did you take them all away from me?
I want to be a normal person.
That's not a wish. Why is there absolutely nothing behind me now? I will never submit to this idea of fate. Never.